Hey, what's going on? We're gonna go out. We're gonna show the Spartan mower. Come on, follow me. Come on. Come on. There she is. Big old Spartan mower. She's so nice. She even has a cup holder for me. A cup holder for me. Now, she's a tricky little thing. First thing, you gotta make sure the brake here is locked up. You gotta lock the brake up. And then you gotta make sure these ain't here. They're all the way out. Because if not, she's not gonna start. So now, what you gotta do is you gotta put her kind of in the middle here with the gas. And you gotta make sure the gas is on. Back here, you gotta turn the gas on. I added that myself, so if you ever have a Spartan mower, it ain't gonna have it. So I added a gas thing so I can turn her off in the wintertime. Okay, now gotta make sure blades are up on number 4. Like here, like that. Yeah, oh, she's ready. She's ready. Now, I'm gonna bring her out in the sun. Don't get too excited when I bring her out. Here we go. Gotta hit 4-digit code. And then we hit the button. Put her on choke. She's a little cold. It's the first time starting her up. There you go. Oh, she purred like a kitten. She purred like, uh-oh. I took the choke off too soon. Here we go. Look at this. Look at it. Watch. She opens up. Look at it. Watch. Here she goes. Oh, automatic. Yeah. You close it automatic. Oh, she's nice. Look at it. She got 7, 1 through 4. How you get beautiful? She's a beautiful thing. I've had her now for probably a year and a half. I didn't give me no problem except for the seat. I pressed the seat a couple times, but they gave me all new seat, all new generation seat. She was split through here, but they gave me a seat, a 2-piece seat, and I had no problem with her. No problem with her at all. Come on. Look. 25 horsepower, 724 cc's of raw Briggs & Stratton power. Spartan, 2-cylinder, and seat belt so you don't fall out. And check this out. If I wanna charge my phone, I can charge my phone right here as I'm driving down the road, cutting grass. I can charge it right there. She got onboard display. Oh, check this out, check this out, check this out. Check this out. I got a tachometer. Tell her how many RPMs. She does. Watch. I'm gonna start her up. Here she goes. Ooh. Here she goes. Look at the tachometer. Jealous, but that's okay. I just want to let you know this is a beauty. She runs good. I got some mulching blades on. She cuts the grass nice and level like. Oh yeah. I just want to let you know, for the money, you can't beat her. You can't beat her for the money. She's one of the cheaper lawnmowers out there, but man, she's a workhorse. So I just want to let you know, Spartan.